I'm Dr. Karanian here with Corrective Spinal Care in Bonita Springs, here with a patient, Miss Rachel. And just wanted to take a moment and highlight some of her gains and some of her benefits so far in treatment. And a little funny story before she tells you some things from her own experience. Before I ever met Rachel, I heard Rachel, and I say that with love. She has a voice that carries, which we know when we love. And I heard her outside the back door mentioning her low back, popped out. We started conversing, and now she's doing wonderful. So Rachel, if you won't mind, share a little bit with the people what brought you in initially, what you expected or didn't expect, and how you're doing now.
I've been to the chiropractor before over the years. I started when I was about 18, 19. Started with my pinched nerve, dealt with it, got better, kind of lost my way along the years, didn't think about it, and then moved here about 5 years ago and started feeling things because I started to be more active with my body and working out. And then, I've been here for 3.5 years, and I saw that you guys moved next door, and I was like, oh, spinal care, like, okay, I really want to heal my back. I've been to the doctor, had all the x-rays and all the CT scans or whatever, and just no result really. So then I talked to you and I was just like, look, I really want to get better. I want to feel better. I want long term. I want longevity. So that's how I found you. And then what was the other question?
How you're doing now when you had come in, the shoulder as well and the low back. How has your progress been?
So my shoulder, yes, I hurt my shoulder several years ago. So simple, I'll start with I'm able to brush my hair without my shoulder hurting. I'm able to shower without shoulder pain now. I'm able to do workouts that he has given me now with no pain. And the back especially, I'm able to do, stretches and movements and all those things in my hips that I was never able to do before without excruciating pain days later. So now I have less pain. Still have some things because I'm only 2 months in on my 7-month journey. So just 2 months of this, I can walk better, run better, lift better, and minimal to no pain. So it's been really good. And I really appreciate it. It's a great place. I will say why I feel comfortable with this place. I've done like soft chiropractic where you go in and they do the same thing to everybody. And I was nervous about that too. So when I found him, I was like, okay, this sounds like a good fit. And it's so much more than that. It's very detailed to your needs, what's going on with you. And it's not just crack, pop, boom, let's go. It's really good. So you guys should check it out. It'll be worth your while.
So through the exam process, through the x-rays, we were able to determine with Rachel specific needs and specific areas of compression in her spine that were causing the symptoms through her shoulder, for example, into the low back, for example, even things that have gone dormant that weren't bothering her, that we realized, and come to think of it, this is aggravated, this does bother me all the time. What might you tell somebody who's never been to a chiropractor, doesn't know what to expect, or even somebody who, like you said, has been to a chiropractor in the past, but maybe is willing to give it another try or a second try? What advice might you give to those people, and what might you tell them on their first visit when they come in?
Sometimes you just have to have faith and you just got to take that leap. This man has adjusted my body in ways that I was very nervous about, and I've heard horror stories of people getting messed up at chiropractors, but I promise you, you are in good hands with him, and your body is going to appreciate you for taking care of it and just having faith that there's good people out there that actually want to see you heal long term and don't want to just see you come back to them and put money in their pocket. Like it's a really great place, and I'm very blessed, and I do believe it was divine that I was led here.
And we're blessed to have you as well.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rachel. And thank you for tuning in, and we hope you'll be coming in soon. We'll be able to take a look at you. Dr. Karanian, out.